To remove a credit card from Disney Plus, follow these steps. First, go to the Disney Plus website and log in to your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Account from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down to the Payment Details section, where you will see the credit card information associated with your account. Click on the Edit Payment Method button next to your credit card information. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your payment methods. On this page, click on the Remove button next to the credit card you want to remove. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to remove the credit card. Click Yes to confirm, and the credit card will be removed from your Disney Plus account. If you want to replace the removed credit card with a new one, click on the Add Payment Method button and enter the new credit card information. Make sure to enter the correct credit card number, expiration date, and security code. After removing a credit card from your Disney Plus account, you will not be charged again using that credit card. However, if you have a subscription, you will need to add a new payment method to continue using the service. It is also important to note that removing a credit card from your Disney Plus account will not cancel your subscription. If you want to cancel your subscription, you will need to do so separately. By following these steps, you can easily remove a credit card from your Disney Plus account and manage your payment methods. Remember to always keep your payment information up to date to avoid any issues with your account.